If you ever consider modify your car, you know that right changes can completely improve your handling. And you might be thinking, will custom wheel adapters actually make the noticeable difference?
Can I customize BONOSS wheel spacer for Honda Civic? BONOSS owns an independent factory. We provide customer service from 3mm thick to 160mm thick. TCD Civic conversion wheel adapters, OEM ODM is available. If you are looking for an unusual thickness or both pattern conversion for Honda Civic custom wheels, look no further than BONOSS custom-made wheel spacers. There are a large amount of options without customized TCD conversion wheel adapters, and thread size, thickness, and both patterns can be customized according to your accessory requirements. The most effective modification that can enhance both the looks and performance of your Honda Civic is installing wheel spacers. Wheel spacers widen the track of your vehicle, providing a more aggressive stance and improved stability, especially during cornering. Additionally, they allow for the installation of larger tire and wheels, enhancing both the aesthetics and grip. BONOSS Honda Civic custom wheel spacers have global patent. Active cooling technique. As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS has created the world's first active cooling technique based on years of experience. Reaching the long-term single function of the wheel spacers through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the brake efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving sick. Starting from the raw materials, BONOSS manufacturers produce Honda Civic in the best forged aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties: high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. BONOSS has fully passed over 66 SGS QV authority test reports and all achieved excellent scores. BONOSS national stars have passed the SGS 2 million times limited life range test without damage. By these authority test reports, BONOSS truly achieved the quality and professional expressed in the form of data and truly guaranteed safety. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this Honda Civic wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.